Hey guys! In this video I am going to show how to block websites on Google Chrome browser. I will also show how to block any websites on Chrome browser. Additionally, I will show you how to remove block sites extension from your Chrome web store. So let's get started. So just open your Google Chrome browser. Now click on the Customize and Control option. Click on More Tools option. Then click on Extensions option. This is Google Chrome Extensions page. Now click on the Main Menu option. Open Chrome Web Store. You will see a search box. Now in the search bar on the left, search for blocked site. You can see a sum of results. Many times this extension logo is changed, so follow the official name. Now you click Block Site Extension. The size of this extension is 17.59 MB. The size of the extension can change at any time. You can read Overview, Privacy, Reviews and Support to know about Block Site Extension. Now click on Add to Chrome option. Select Add Extension button on the pop-up. You will have to wait a while for the download to complete. When the download is complete, a new tab will open. You can read the privacy policy, then click on the I accept button. Click on the skip option. Click on the skip option. Click on the next and dismiss. So back to the Google Extensions page, you'll see block site ready to use. Now go to the block site page and close other tabs. Then open a new tab. For example, now I will show you how to block Facebook and Amazon. You can block any website as per your requirement. First of all, I'll copy the Facebook link. Paste the link in the web address box. And click the Add Item button. The link has now been added to the list of blocked sites. Reload after opening the Facebook tab. This website is now blocked and no one else can use this website. We will now block our second example, Amazon.com. Now copy the Amazon.com link. Paste the link in the web address box. And click the Add Item button same as before. The link has now been added to the list of blocked sites. Reload after opening the Amazon tab. This website is now blocked and no one else can use this website. If you want to remove the blocked website from the block list, click the Delete button next to the link. Now go to Amazon link. Okay, your website is free from block list. Follow the same instructions for Facebook link. Okay, your website is free from block list. If you do not use this extension, you can easily remove this extension. Now follow my instructions. Now click on the Customize and Control option. Click on More Tools option. Then click on Extensions option. Now click on the Remove button. Select Remove button on the pop-up. The block site extension is no longer visible on the extension page. So in this way you can block website on Google Chrome browser on your Windows operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Please comment, I will try to give correct answer. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe.